Good morning, student. In this lecture of digital image processing, the concept we will discuss about the pixel relationship. So, the pixel relationship include some of the concepts like what is pixel, the pixel neighborhood, and the types of the neighborhood. What is the pixel connectivity, the connected components of a pixel, different distance measure that are to be used for the pixel relationship or to finding the relationship. Next one is the arithmetic and the logical operator and the neighborhood operation. So let's start with what is pixel value. We already discussed about what is pixel. So pixel is the smallest element of an image, which is known as the also known as the picture element. So after the sampling process, we get the number of analog samples, and each sample have some intensity value which can be quantized as the final step of digitization. Sampling and the quantization concept we already discussed in the last lectures. So for the clarification, you can see again that video. So, after the digitization process, after the quantization is to be done, if the quantization is to be done, we get the discrete level of an image. So, we get if there is an 8-bit image, then it represents the black and white image. If 24-bit image, then that is the colored image. A matrix element is also called a pixel. For example, for a 8-bit pixel, we have the value range from 0 to 256 or 0 to 255, total 255 या 256 वैल्यूज़ जो है हमारी होती है. So नेक्स्ट ये हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द व्हाट इज़ द नेबरहुड. नेबरहुड इन जनरल फॉर्म क्या होता है? जो आसपास वाले हों, जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं, हमारे आसपास जो रहते हैं. इफ़ देर इज़ अ पिक्सल वैल्यू, एक पिक्सल के अराउंड जितने पिक्सल हैं वो क्या हो गए उनके नेबर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if we talk about there are on the x-axis and the y-axis, on the horizontally and the vertically, there are two horizontally and the two vertical neighbors. In total the pixel have four neighbors. For example, this is the pixel value. Any image is represented by a function x and y, and p here represent the pixel, or we can say that one image having the two coordinate x and y. So there are the four neighbors from upward horizontally, upward downward, vertically, and two horizontally. Horizontally are x comma y minus 1 and x comma y plus 1, and other coordinates are vertically x minus 1 comma y and x plus 1 comma y, which have some values. So these are the neighborhood. For example, if any image is represented as in a matrix form, so in the matrix form, for example 3 into 3, राइट. 3 into 3 में क्या है? जो मिडल वाला एलिमेंट है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो फिफ्थ वन पिन एलिमेंट है, उसके अराउंड जो है चारों तरफ कोई ना कोई पिक्सल वैल्यू होगी. दैट आर द नेबर्स ऑफ दैट पिक्सल वैल्यू. सो दिस सेट ऑफ फोर पिक्सल्स आर कॉल्ड द फोर नेबर्स ऑफ p. p is the pixel is equal to is represented by n4p, which is the neighbors of p having the value 4. So each of these neighbors is at a unit distance from p. So if a p is a boundary pixel, then it will always have less neighbors. So next one is the boundary pixel. Which one is the boundary pixel? So we now we know that what is pixel. Second thing, any pixel have four neighbors. So out of which one is the boundary pixel, the which one is the boundary pixel value. So boundary pixel, boundary का मतलब क्या होता है? उसका एरिया के जो कॉर्नर पर है, जो कॉर्नर है, जो हमारा घर है उसके इर्द गिर्द जो गेट है, बाउंड्री वॉल्स हैं, डेट आर द बाउंड्री. that is connected to the other region also. अदर रीजन मतलब पास वाला जो घर है उसके साथ भी कनेक्टेड हो सकती है, जो गेट है आगे जो के रोड है उसके साथ कनेक्टेड हो सकता है, विच मीन्स डैट इफ दे वी हैव द टू इमेजेस, if we have two images their boundary pixels may connect with each other. So any boundary pixel may have only two neighbors. So a pixel p has four diagonal neighbors. सो डायगनल नेबर्स कौन से हो गए, डायगनली क्या है जब हम क्रॉस की बात करते हैं, ठीक है, तो डायगनली भी हमारे पास 4 नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल वैल्यूज होती हैं. सो देयर आर द 4 डायगनल नेबर्स. इफ पी एक्स वाई इज द पिक्सल वैल्यू, then x minus 1 comma y minus 1 is the one diagonal value, then x plus 1 y plus 1, similarly x minus 1 y plus 1 and x plus 1 y minus 1. These are 4 diagonal neighbors, right? There are the 4 horizontal and the vertical neighbor. There are 2 boundary pixel value, 4 diagonal neighbor, clear, which is represented by NDP. D for diagonal, n is the neighbor and p is the pixel. So the point of n4 neighbor, 4 neighbor pixel and diagonal pixel together are called the 8 neighbors of p. Therefore 4 and 4 दोनों मिला के हमारे पास टोटल कितने नंबर ऑफ नेबर्स होते हैं, एनी पिक्सल के टोटल आर 8. So there are the pixel connectivity. Pixel connectivity is very useful for establishing the object boundary and defining the image component or the region. What is the region of an image? Region of an image is the in which all the pixels are covered. So that is the region. Boundary is the boundary area, corner area, outline of the picture is known as the boundary. So if fxy is represented as image, any image is represented by the function fxy. If the fxy is greater than the threshold value, then x and y either belongs to an object or it belongs to the background. So if it belongs to an object, then it is represented by 1. If it's not, it is represented by 0, which represent the background. 1 जो कलर होगा वो क्या साइन होगा ऑब्जेक्ट को, एंड 0 क्या होगा उसका बैकग्राउंड को. उसको हम कोई भी कलर असाइन कर सकते हैं जब हम कोई भी इमेज को ड्रॉ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल कोरल ड्रॉ पे हम ड्रॉ करते हैं, ठीक है, तो कोरल ड्रॉ पे हम जब ड्रॉ करेंगे देन क्या है, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ किया, फॉर एग्जांपल सर्कल ड्रॉ किया, तो सर्कल जब ड्रॉ किया विद इन द सर्कल हम कोई भी कलर फिल कर सकते हैं, आउटलाइन में कोई डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं बैकग्राउंड में. तो बैकग्राउंड में अगर वाइट किया है दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द बैकग्राउंड कलर which is which have the assigned value is 0. if we colored within the object, जो कलर हमने किया है यहाँ पर फॉर एग्जांपल ये रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है, दिस इज द ब्लू कलर, दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, so this is this I have the assigned value is 1, bit value is 1. So this represents the pixel connectivity. So the pixel connectivity are two pixels are said to be connected if they are adjacent in same sense. They are the neighbors. Neighbors कौन कौन से होंगे, 4 हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकली जो होंगे 2 to 4 टोटल, डायगनली जो हो सकते हैं, और in combined form we can say that 8 number of, that is n8, and their intensity value is also known as the gray level value. Intensity value, gray level value or the pixel value are the same. So if all these are the similar, then they are connected with each other. For example, for any binary image B, we have the 2 points P and Q will be connected if Q belongs to the neighborhood of P and P belongs to the neighborhood of Q, so that they are adjacent with each other. So here the example is represented by, here P and Q are the connected if and of only if their intensity values are same, then they are adjacent with each other if they have the same value. So this also can be represented by, if in the previous example we see that the objects are assigned with the bit 1, So the bit 1 colored images, two object having the same color, so we can say that they are adjacent to each other. So how we can define the connectivity in gray level? Let V be the set of gray level that is used to define the connectivity for the 2 points PQ that belongs to the number of vertices. There are the three type of connected connectivity. Four-way connectivity that we already discussed. There are the four neighbors, or the 8-way connectivity. We can say that. So P and Q belongs to P and P belongs to N4Q if they are the four neighbors. For the 8, it is known as the 8 connectivity. If more than 8, then that is known as the mixed connectivity. So Q belongs to N4P or D and DP, and N4P intersection of NDP is equals to 5 value. सो देयर इंटरसेक्शन जब सिमिलर वैल्यू है उनको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो क्या बचेगा? कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा. ठीक है. अगर दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे देन वी गेट सम वैल्यू. सो next is the mixed connectivity. The mixed connectivity is the modification of 8-way connectivity. Only the inclusion of concept is eliminating the multiple paths often arise with 8 connectivity. For example, it means that mixed connectivity में हम क्या है multiple paths को eliminate कर देते हैं. For example, here we have any image. Here are the 3 number of rows and 3 number of column. It means it is the image of 3 into 3. X and Y की वैल्यू क्या है 3 into 3. So if we take the second element, second pixel value, that is 1. So their neighbors are on the right side and on the down side, that is 1. For example, these are the two neighbor we selected. In the next, if we take this one now, then their neighbors are the first one on the right side and on the lower side. So these are the neighbors of this pixel value, the centered value. There are the multiple paths. So next, if we select only this pixel value, only this pixel value, and we ignore that value, so this is some ignoring or eliminating the multiple paths to reduce the noise. So there is the intersection that may represent that this path is eliminated, so NDP is not taken. So this is the mixed connectivity. Next we have the connected components.